Okay, and after the storm comes the sun. Look at these amazing clouds over there. Let's see, this video will be 8K. I want to see how it's going to look on YouTube. Look at this amazing sky. This is what I've been saying. I love Paphos Cyprus. Even get rain. Even this was a storm actually, and it was like 2 days non-stop. Now we get nice sun fighting with the clouds. But actually, I will not say fighting. I would say it's blending with the clouds. It looks lovely. This is what I like about Cyprus. I said after the rain, you get nice sun. And actually this is a very nice composition when I would make drone videos on photographs. I love the sun with the clouds. Can take some amazing photos or videos. Amazing. So the day today is October 18th. After 2 days of heavy rain, 2018, 2022, and the time right now it's 5:15 almost. We're trying towards Paphos. Recording this video in 8K quality. It's a little bit dark for this time of the day, but because of the clouds. The temperature right now it's 25.5 degrees. That's 8 degrees more than yesterday when I was under the rain. It's a big difference, 8 degrees difference, 8 degrees up. 8.5 I would say. Yesterday we were with the rain, we were at 17 degrees, even at the time of the rain. This is what I was explaining before. It's not like because we got a storm, it's like one winter mode. Not yet. It will take some time to get there, and we don't have heavy winters anyway in Cyprus. So we got this storm, and after a few days, even the clouds will clear. It will be full of sunny days. The temperature will be 25, 26, around there, like it's today. Actually, it should be more like 27, 28. And after this, it's gonna start slowly going down about November. Of course, if we get the rainy days, we'll drop. If it's like 100% cloud coverage, it will drop fast for those days. But before this storm, we were up to 27, 28 degrees. So once the storm is over, we should be back there, around there. So we're planning to visit Cyprus on November or December, because we got these 2 days of the storm. Don't think it will be like this. We don't get too much rain. We get a few days of rain. Most of the days it's sunny. Of course, in December the temperatures drop down to, let's say, 17, 15 degrees. Is quarters. Okay, it's 8K video, so it says not to record over 5 minutes. Okay, hopefully we'll manage. Alright, look at this amazing sky. Okay, I will stop the video and restore it. Alright. What? Ah, Alexei. What? I know him.
Hmm?
I know him.
Huh?
What?
No, he's just...
I thought you think I know him, and that's why I said hi.
Did you say that?
I said okay. Maybe he, I don't know. He said hi to me.
No.
Oh, Mary. Okay, look at this amazing sun, amazing sky. Really, I love it. I don't have my professional machine with me to take some nice photos. Unfortunately, forgot to bring it. I just rushed to come to make a video. Oops, watch a baby, right? Hey, lovely to see a lot of people around after the rain. You know, after the rain, if you go on the mountains, you can collect snails. So, my brain, I will not say that. I mean, like you see people now pop out after the rain. I wouldn't say like snails, it would be bad to say. But, of course, heavy rain and people couldn't take a walk. Now they all come to enjoy a coastal walk. Let's see. You got to love this sky, really. Let's take you to a famous sunset point. People love to go. You want to see those people? Next to the Paphos Castle. Look at this cloud. It's like painting on the sky.
It's like a circle.
Yeah, over there, yes. Amazing. Yeah, full of sky. Just get into 10. Here it's a famous sunset point. A lot of people come to take photos. The Paphos Castle there. Look at this circle, like Mary said over there. I guess we are the annoying ones now. We come to the car here just for a few minutes. I wish I had my machine with me to take photos. I took one out like this. Okay, don't forget to subscribe on the channel. More videos soon. I'm also finishing some more projects I got pending, really, which will give me more time after. I'll be able to take also the drone out for the YouTube channel. I mean, I'm using the drone almost like daily basis for my customers, for the projects. But I'm planning to take some videos just for the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, Cyprus1Click. It'll bring you the best quality videos. And today we're testing the 8K quality. How it's gonna look on YouTube. Look at this now. Just lovely. Today is Tuesday. What's today? Tuesday, yes. I see some bloggers who just also come to enjoy a lovely walk after the storm. But 95% I would say is tourists, I see. Too much, huh? That's lovely composition already. Okay, I think that will do it. I don't want to make the video too long because it's gonna be 8K quality and I will need some time to edit and upload it, and YouTube sometimes takes too long to process the higher quality videos. It's a bit cold there, you see. So that should, okay, let's go to the, leave it running like another more minute. Alright, I would make a live video now, just a short live video here. So I would stop this.